Guys, this is the fourth day of the renovation. That is Mohammed. So we're gonna start off with the cleaning and the brushing. We got some rigs here, some brushes here, some brooms, some cutlasses, some buckets, wheelbarrows, spade. Yeah, we got one. Maybe some couple of stuff. So let's see. These are the materials we brought for the camp, and every weekend we'll be bringing more like this until we fill up this place. Also, we'll be bringing some cleaning materials and clearing materials. Today we came very late. It's actually 5:30, and we are only 5. 3 went to the beach. They will be joining us. But next week they will come on Saturday, and we'll come earlier, and we will come with more people. So. You need to take this off. That's one piece of the job. And after that, part of it will be deformed like this. We need to use some concrete, some cement to reinforce this. And this should look like this. It should look like this. Look like this all the time. Come upstairs, come upstairs. Oh, those are the other 3 that will be joining us. That's Nay, that's Paco, and that's Yaxia. Yeah. You've seen a lot of those faces. This is Mohammed. We're all excited today. I don't know if we're going to continue like this for the rest of the journey. Mohammed, what do you have to say? What do you have to say, Mohammed? What is your specialty here in this work? What do you think you can do the best?
Don't worry.
Nay, which one can you do the best? The roofing, the plumbing, the wiring, the Martian, the water, the what? Which one?
Anything about the
Yeah, that's the plumbing. Bigger. Huh?
You might need to phone me now. What's the other boy?
I know.
I'm telling you.
No, do my Sando floss level bit.
No, there be no phone.
No, can I?
Duma sangu.
I'm actually just have to.
Jangan phone boy, jangan tenyam boy.
You want to eat a lot of Santo Male do mama, bro. You
Kemal on the jam fix, ninja man fix. Abejan ordin the
Yeah, we can.
So 5 fix.
All of here, man.
5 fix.
They are running.
So nimba fix. Now you killing it. Now they fix it. Okay. Now, Ajibe. What is it?
What are you doing, my father?
I'm just trying to scrape this stupid stuff on the academic. I'm just trying to scrape this, scraping this, whatever you call it, on this board. That's what I was doing.
So it's like termites are really working.
Exactly. Termites. I feel like getting water as well. You know? Something like that. Yeah.
So the blocks.
This has been abundant for over a decade now.
Okay.
It's like a 100 now. So we're trying to do it.
And that is smart kid.
Yeah, but my only problem is
You're short.
yeah,
Short people problems, yeah? That's like normal short people problems. And that is Mohammed, really doing stuff. And this is Baba Yangs.
Yeah, that's me, Baba Yang.
What's up, nigga?
Yeah, I'm cool, man.
Good.
So how is it? Architecture right now working?
You are not doing a good job.
Yeah, doing a good job here.
Because this is trash work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like it, man.
I know.
Like promise you come back here. You'll be like improving, bro. So, what do you think about this place?
I think it's nice for a haunted house.
For now?
For a haunted house party.
Yeah, for now, there's a lot of work here. But like, let's say during the summer, it's gonna be a fun place. I'm very sure you're gonna enjoy this place.
Waiko. Waiko waiting.
What?
Waiko waiting.
Yeah, Vico.
Oh, it's Wiko.
It's Vico.
Wiko waiting.
Vico is Viking. Come here the next time, you'll enjoy. For now, it is work.
Let's start in more work.
Okay, let's go. Okay, plan is very important. I'm putting it to work, you know. You're putting it together.
I don't see work. Work. Okay, coach. Do work.
Dato la diga.
Ahí me paga.
Diga los dos padres.
Ahí me paga. Ahora me llame.
Okay.
You can see we are doing clean exercise.
Yeah. No, it's super clean now.
Yeah,
When we came, it was so dirty.
I'm the one who clean all this place.
Stop
Is
lying,
that
bro. Stop lying.
fair? Is that fair?
But you did great.
And you
You
are
did
there
great.
joking there.
This is amazing, man. This is cool, like, to be honest. When we came, it was all messy. Now, at least you can look at it a bit. But there's more to be done, man. There's more. Yeah.
Alright.
I look so messy. When I was coming, I was looking fresh.
Yeah.
But I was looking like this guy, bro.
Like this, yeah.
Yeah. I was looking like this guy, bro.
Look at my feet.
He's still looking like this, guy. Anyways, how was the walk?
It was.
It was really fun.
Yep.
It was really fun.
Yep.
I have fun. I haven't done something like this
In a while.
for a long time.
Yeah, man.
And then it's good, as you can see. I
man.
wanted to lose some fat. I've sweat a little bit. That's really good for me.
That's good. That's good.
No matter
Hey, Pacho,
Yeah, man.
CEO.
CEO.
What's up, man?
And today I'm the adventurer here, bro.
Come on,
Nigga,
I've done a lot
I'm
there,
always
man.
the adventurer, bro.
Yeah, bro, it was really
Really
fun, man.
Hey, I'm
I really
kidding.
enjoyed this place, man.
Yeah, man.
It's a very
Thanks.
nice place, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
You guys are amazing, man. You guys are amazing.
Yara nyari lang.
Yeah.
Sound for ambinal.
Yeah, man. Sawa.
Yeah, sound for.
Sawa, Monday.
Sound ambinal.
Okay. Ni pare na kaya?
Yeah. Kanali.
So guys, this is the day 2 of the, not day 2 actually, the second weekend of the renovation. Again, we'll be doing clearing, more cleaning, more brushing. And we go to the side over there. That's Fatima. Today we have Fatima and Sayer.
What is this?
The key.
Which key?
The key.
The key to what?
The key. The key to the rhino store. The rhinos. Today the highlight is rhino, huh? Yeah.
So my guys are preparing to start work. Hey Kinte. Hey Lino. Hi, how are you? Mohammed. Okay, we're right here in Canela. Yes. So Mohammed is already in and Kinte is behind us.
So this is how it looks before we start. Fatima, are you ready for this? Yeah. Is that a rhino?
Don't worry, LMD.
Yeah, journalism laa def. moo nekk suma métier. So I have media law and ethics tomorrow.
Bantam.
It's 3.
Oh.
Don't worry, I'm not super.
Today we didn't have any time for introduction. That's Mariama over there. Just came in straight and we started with the plants straight up top of the wall. That is Tom over here. Yeah. And that's Ricardo over there. Just see how it is. Well, let me there. It's rubbing. But I think this is faster. Now I realize. You see? We are doing flat, make it flat. No, I mean flat like this. Edge, no, edge, 90 degrees. You understand what I'm saying, 90 degrees? We are finally done now. The rest is about just cleaning things up, but the larger mess has all already been taken care of. This place is very clear. All we need is some little sweeping, and this will be ready for some fun. And the view is just incredible. That's why I love this spot. Look at the view. Just amazing when you're on top here. Okay guys, so we are done. Before we pack, we want to go there because it's getting dark. We want to show you some few things that we discovered today. Let's go.
I don't.
It's Kawamuda. Not that people are not greedy. You are.
Wait, this place look like Amazon, boy. Guys, hello guys. I'm on a tour and I met these local villagers here. Yeah. This is the husband and this is the wife.
Yeah.
And they are taking me on a tour.
You got kebab.
Yeah, that's the kebab.
Let's go back.
Let's go.
Follow it. They eat all this kebab, boy.
I'm competing the colors.
I'm telling you, boy. Those girls, I don't even know how they survive, boy. They eat all those kebabs, boy. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna demolish this. Flat. Guys, there is not much light, but you recognize this. It's called the sledgehammer. This is called the adventure, and this will be the first demolition. Follow me. In here is a compost toilet, 2 compost toilets. We don't need them. Trust me when I talk.
If you worried about this, it's not that degenerate.
Yeah. But I should be worried about the Kana Nyuma. Because Nyuma, me and the fuse, we are all dying.
let's do that. Rona soli me the face all that.
Don't go right.
Me left the marathon kara.
Just the whole thing, the boy. Look at this terrorist.
Even the big men, them, yeah.
Yeah, you have terrorist guys. Why is terrorist? Why is refugee? This terrorist. Hey, but full. I know. Muda je, dia belah ni. Je. Je, je.